on high.
Oh Lord, I lift your name on high.
Lord, I lift your name on high.
Yeah.
Don't let it pour.
Don't laugh.
But you are too far away from. Sharon, take your plastic close to them so that it will not pour.
Careful. Yeah, careful.
Once you are done, please, not on the floor. Not on the floor. So we put it. Yes, so it comes like this, and after this we roll it, and here you have your waffle rolls. One here, and the second one. But for the waffle roll, adult assistance is required.
Yeah.
Because of fire.
Let me see. If you don't roll it tightly, it will loosen.
Leave for some time. I've done it.
Up. So, roll it. Roll it. So you leave it like that, and it cools down
By itself.
by itself, and
You need to remove your
so
hand.
there you have it. Now roll it.
Look from the side.
So leave it. You allow it to. It will be firm on its own. Now try to remove the. Okay, and there you have it. Yeah. Our waffle rolls is ready. Yeah. So today we had different shapes of see our young bakers. This one that you're all shining your teeth. Okay, so what did we now make today? Oh.
When I say waffle, you say rolls. Waffle rolls, waffle rolls. When I say waffle, you say rolls. Waffle rolls, waffle rolls. When I say waffle.
So you can start packing yours. We have come to the end of today's class and it's a wrap for today. Today, what did you make?
Waffle rolls.
Waffle rolls. And here you have it. No, don't mind them. Oh. They had more than this. They've started eating it.
It's only them.
Only them, yes. They are the one that. Thanks for staying glued to our channel. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are having our competition within our participants. So we'll keep you posted. All right, bye.
Bye.